United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 7, Strait baselines, 1. In localities where the coastline is deeply indented and cut into, or if there is a fringe of islands along the coast in its immediate vicinity, the method of strait baselines, joining appropriate points, may be employed in drawing the baseline from which the breadth of the territorial sea is measured. 2. Where, because of the presence of a delta and other natural conditions, the coastline is highly unstable, the appropriate points may be selected along the furthest seaward extent of the low water line and, notwithstanding subsequent regression of the low water line, the strait baselines shall remain effective until changed by the coastal state in accordance with this convention. 3. The drawing of strait baselines must not depart to any appreciable extent from the general direction of the coast, and the sea areas lying within the lines must be sufficiently closely linked to the land domain to be subject to the regime of internal waters. 4. Strait baselines shall not be drawn to and from low tide elevations, unless lighthouses or similar installations, which are permanently above sea level, have been built on them, or except in instances where the drawing of baselines to and from such elevations has received general international recognition. 5. Where the method of strait baselines is applicable under paragraph 1, account may be taken, in determining particular baselines, of economic interests peculiar to the region concerned, the reality and the importance of which are clearly evidenced by long usage. 6. The system of strait baselines may not be applied by a state in such a manner as to cut off the territorial sea of another state from the high seas, or an exclusive economic zone.